Solving systems of linear and nonlinear equations using substitution and elimination. When we say linear, the graph would be in a straight line, and the nonlinear equation, the graph would be at a parabola or in a curved line. Okay, using a substitution and elimination. Let's have the substitution first. Example number 1, x minus 6y is equals to negative 3. And equation number 2, 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. So isolate the variable first. Tingnan po kay x and y, saan dyan, kay equation 1 or 2 ba, ang may variable na ang numerical coefficient po niya is 1. Okay, nasa equation number 1, which is the x. Since may katabi po siyang negative 6y, we have to remove that 1 by adding into the opposite po ng negative 6y, which is positive 6y. Negative 6y, addition property po yan, is equals to negative 3. Of course, dito din po magdadagdag tayo ng 6y. Because in the rules, pag nagdagdag sa left, dapat din po sa right. Okay po, so cancel out, or negative 6y plus 6y is 0 equal to negative 3 plus 6y. Hindi na po natin yan simplify. It's because different po yan ng terms. May variable to, ito ay wala. So this is the temporary value of our x. So substitute po natin yan sa hindi natin nagalaw na equation, which is the equation number 2. Okay. 3. Our x is negative 3 plus 6y plus 2y is equals to 11. Distribution property, distributive property, positive 3 times negative 3, we got negative 9. 3 times 6y, 18y, plus 2y is equals to 11. And then combined like terms, ang magkapareho po si 18y and 2y, and then negative 9 and si negative 11. Para mawala po si negative 9 dito, opposite ng negative 9 is positive 9. Okay, 9 minus 9, 18y plus 2y, we have 20y is equals to 11, and then plus 9 since we add positive 9 on the left. 9 minus 9, 0. So, ang matira na lang po is si 20y is equals to 11 plus 9, we have 20. Then, para y, to get the value of y, we have to divide both side by 20. Bakit 20? It's because para y na lang matira ko is 20 divided by 20 is 1y or y. 20 divide 20, 1. So we have our y, which is 1. In that, we use this equation to get the value of our x. X is equals to negative 3, 6. Substitute the value of y, which is 1. X is equals to negative 3. 6 plus 1, we have 6. Negative 3 plus 6 is equals to 3. So our solution would be x is 3, y is 1. So this is our answer for example number 1 using a substitution method. Example number 2, we have 2x squared minus 2y is equals to 10. Then 3x minus y is equals to 9. Again, look at the variable po na ang numerical coefficient ay 1, and then the exponent is 1 as well. Okay po, nasa equation number 2. Since may katabi po ang y natin na 3x, positive 3x, the opposite po is negative 3x. Plus 3x minus y is equals to 9 minus 3x. 0, then negative y is equals to 9 minus 3x. And then since po ay negative y, so we have to divide both side by negative 1 para po maging positive. Y is equals to negative 9 plus 3x. Divide po by negative 1 or multiply by negative 1. So we have our temporary value of y, which is negative 9 plus 3x. And substitute po natin doon sa equation na hindi natin nagalaw, which is the equation number 1. X squared minus 2, then our value of y, which is 3x minus 9 or negative 9 plus 3x is equals to positive 10. X squared, substitute po natin, negative 2 times negative 9, we have positive 18. Negative 2 plus 3x, we got negative 6x is equals to 10. Then, combined like terms, si 18 doon kay 10. Para po mawala dito si 18, opposite po ng positive 18 is negative 18. So, addition property, 18 minus 18 minus 6x is equals to 10 minus 18. So, 0, we have x squared minus 6x is equals to negative 8. And then transpose po natin para maging trinomial since we can't get 6x positive 8 is equals to 0. And then we can get the binomial factor po niyan. Two numbers, multiply the answer is x squared. We have x times x. Two numbers, multiply the answer is 8. So we have 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is 8 and then 4 plus 2 is 6. So negative 4, negative 2. Okay po? So x minus 4 or x is equals to positive 4 and x is equals to positive 2. Okay po, so we have to substitute the value of x to get the value of y. Negative 9 plus 3. First value of our x is 4. Y is equals to negative 9. 3 plus 4 is 12. Y is equals to negative 9 plus 12. We have positive 4. Ay, positive 3, I mean. Okay po. Next. Y is equals to negative 9 plus yung x na 2 naman, 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Negative 9 plus 6, we got negative 3. So our solution would be x, 3x is x is 4 and then y is 3 and 2, negative 3. So that's our solution in example number 2 using a substitution method. Example number 3, x squared plus y squared is equals to 13. And equation number 2, 2x squared minus y squared is equals to 14. Okay? X ang itira po natin. So, x squared plus y squared. Opposite of y squared is negative y squared is equals to 13 minus y squared. Y squared minus y squared, 0. So, x squared is equals to 13 minus y squared. And then square root po para po x na lang. So x is equals to square root of 13 minus y squared. So this is the temporary value of our x. Substitute that one to the equation na hindi natin nagalaw, which is equation number 2. 2 And our x is 13 minus y squared, quantity squared, minus y squared is equals to 14. And then, PEMDAS po, so nasa parenthesis, pag hindi po masimplify yung nasa parenthesis, sunod po is exponent. So, square root of 13 minus y squared, quantity squared, cancel out po natin yung squared root or radical sign. 13 is equals to y squared minus y squared is equals to 14. Distributive property, 2 times 13, we have 26. 2 times negative y squared, we have negative 2y squared. Minus y squared is equals to 14. Combined like terms, negative 2y minus y squared, negative 2y squared minus y squared, we get negative 3y squared. Rule po ng integer, change the sign of subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So negative 2y squared plus negative y squared, we have negative 3y squared equal to 14. Para po 3y squared matira dyan, we have to add opposite po ng positive 26, which is negative 26. Minus 3y squared is equals to 14 minus 26, 0. So negative 3y squared is equals to 14 minus 26, we got negative 12. And then divide both side by negative 3. So we have y squared is equals to positive 4, and then square root of y squared. Y is equals to positive and negative 2. So using that one, value of our y, x is equals to square root of 13 minus the value of our y, which is 2 squared. X is equals to square root of 4 squared. 2 squared, I mean, is 4. X is equals to 13 minus 4 is 9. Square root of 9, we have positive and negative 3. So the solution would be our x is positive 3 and positive 2, negative 3, and positive 2. And next one is negative positive 3 ay negative 3 and negative 2, and also positive 3 and negative 2. That would be our solution in example number 3. Next. Example number 4, last example for substitution method. X squared minus 4y squared is equals to negative 7. And equation number 2, 3x squared plus y squared is equals to 31. Okay, so last in example 3, we use the x. So ito naman mag-y po tayo. So y squared, 3x squared, 3x squared plus y squared is equals to 31. Since y squared ang gusto nating matira dito, so opposite po ng positive 3x is negative 3x squared. Addition property, plus y squared is equals to 31 minus 3x squared. 0. Then y squared is equals to 31 minus 3x squared. Square root po. So y is equals to square root of 31 minus 3x squared. So temporary value of our y, substitute po natin siya sa equation na hindi natin nagalaw, which is equation number 1. X squared is minus 4. Our y is square root of 31 minus 3x squared. Quantity squared is equals to negative 7. X squared is equals x squared minus 4 multiplied to cancel out po natin si square at si square root. So 3x squared equal to negative 7. And then distributive property, x squared negative 4 times 31, we got negative 124. Negative 4 times negative 3x, we have positive 12x squared is equals to negative 7. And then combined like terms, x squared plus 12x, we got 13x squared. And then si 24 kasama si negative 7 ang kapareho niya. Para mawala dito si negative 24, we have to add positive 124. Negative 7 plus 124. 13x squared is equals to 124 minus 7. We got 117. And then divide both side by 13. X squared is equals to 117 divide 13. We have 9. Okay, and then square root of 9 is positive and negative 3. Next po, this one. So y is equals to square root of 31. Substitute the value of x, which is 3, and then squared. Y is equals to 31 minus 3 squared is 9. Y is equals to 31 po. We have, excuse me, 31. 3 times 9 is 27. 31 minus 27 is 4. So square root of 4, we have y is equals to positive and negative 2. So our coordinates or the solution, x is positive negative 3 and our y is positive and negative 2. So that's our solution for example number 4. And now let's have our elimination method. Elimination method, this one, example number 1, x minus 6y is equals to negative 3 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. Equation 1 and 2, same po, you have to think in number, yung variable na i-isolate first. So, dito, kung gusto mo ay si x ang unang hahanapan ng value, we have to eliminate muna si y. Okay? So, negative 6y and positive 2y. Think of a number. So, ang opposite po ni negative 6y is positive 6y. So, paano natin magiging positive 6y to? So, kailangan natin mag-multiply ng 3. Okay po. So, multiply that by 3. So, hindi natin gagalawin equation number 1. 6y is equals to negative 3. Then 3 times 3x, we have 9x. 3 times 2y, we have 2y is equals to 3 times 11, 6y I mean, 33. Then proceed to addition. X times x plus 9x, we have 10x. Negative 6y plus 6y is 0 is equals to negative 3 plus 33, we have 30. And then divide both sides by 10. Then x is equals to 3. To get the value of y, substitute po natin. So we use equation 1, yung hindi natin ginalaw. X minus 6y is equals to negative 3. Our x is 3 minus 6y is equals to negative 3. Para po xy lang matira dyan, mawala si 3, positive 3, opposite ni positive 3 is negative 3. Plus 3 minus 6y is equals to negative 3 minus 3. 0. So negative 6y is equals to negative 3 minus 3. We got negative 6. Then divide both sides by negative 6. We have our y is equals to positive 1. Our x is 3 and our y is 1. So this is our solution. 3, 1. Example number 2, x squared minus 2y is equals to 10. And equation 2 is 3x minus 2y is equals to 9. So we have to find the value of x. So ito ang tatanggalin natin. So ano ang opposite ni negative 2y? Positive 2y. Anong gagawin ko kay negative y para maging positive 2y siya? So I have to multiply it by negative 2. X squared minus 2y is equals to 10. Then negative 2 times 3x, we got negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative y, positive 2y is equals to negative 2 times positive 9, negative 18. And then proceed to addition. X squared plus negative x is x squared minus 6x. We can't simplify this one kasi po hindi sila pareho ng term. Negative 2y plus positive 2y, 0. 10 minus 18, so we got negative 8. And then, lipat po natin si negative 8 or plus both side by positive 8. Para po mawala sa kabila si 8. So, x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equals to 0. And then, factor po natin yan. Two numbers, multiply, the answer is x squared. We have x times x. Two numbers multiplied, the answer is 8. And then, pag pinag-add po natin, ang sagot ay yung middle term, which is negative 6. So, x minus 4, x minus 2. X minus 4 is equals to 0. So, we have x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 2. And then, substitute po natin the value of our x to the equation number 1. First value of x is 4 squared minus 2y is equals to 10. 4 squared is 16 minus 2y is equals to 10. Para 2y lang matira dyan, we have to add both side by negative 16. 2y is equals to 10 minus 16. Negative 16 plus 16, 0. And then 2y is equals to 10 minus 16, negative 6. And then divide both side by negative 2. Y is equals to positive 3. And then next po is positive 2. 2 squared minus 2y is equals to 10. 2 squared is 4 minus 2y is equals to 10. Then, tanggalin po si 4. So, we have to add negative 4 plus 4 minus 2y is equals to 10 minus 4. 4 minus 4 or negative 4 plus 4, 0. So, 2y ang matira. Then, 10 minus 4 is 6. And then divide both side by negative 2. We have y is equals to negative 3. So the solution and example number 2 is x positive 3. Our x is 4, I mean. And then sa positive 2 naman, we got negative 3. So our solution is 4, 3, and 2, negative 3. Example number 3. X squared plus y squared is equals to 13, and then 2x squared minus y squared is equals to 14. In that example, and example number 3, no need to multiply. As you can see, y squared, same na po sila. Or pwede, opposite na po sila. I mean, pwede na pong i-cancel out or 0 na po. Plus po natin, x squared plus 2x squared is 3x squared. 0. Then, 13 plus 14, we got 27. Divide both sides by 3. X squared is equals to 27 divide 3 is 9. And then square root of x squared is x. Square root of 9 is positive negative 3. And then substitute the value of x, whether you use this equation 1 or equation 2. Equation 1, x squared is, so 3 squared plus y squared is equals to 13. 3 squared is 9 plus y squared is equals to 13. Combined like terms, so we have to eliminate the positive 9 by adding negative 9 on both sides. 13 minus 9. 0. So, ang matitira po is y squared is equals to 13 minus 9. We got 13 minus 9. We got 4. And then, square root po natin. Square root of y squared is y. Square root of 4 is positive and negative 2. Our x is positive and negative 3. Then our y is positive and negative 2. So this is our solution and example number 3. Example number 4, last example for elimination. X squared minus 4y squared is equals to negative 7, and 3x squared plus y squared is equals to 31. Okay po. So, hanapan natin ng unang value is x. So, negative 4y. Ang opposite niya is positive 4y. Paano to magiging positive 4y? So, I have to multiply it by 4. Minus 4y squared is equals to negative 7. 4 times 3x squared, we got 12x squared. 4 times y squared, we got 4 positive 4y squared. 4y times 34, times 31, we got 124. And then add x squared plus 12x squared, we got 13x squared. Negative 4y plus positive 4y squared, 0. And then equal to 124 minus 7, we got 117. Then divide both side by 13. X squared is equals to 117. Divide 13, we got 9. So square root po of x squared and square root of 9 is positive negative 3. And that use po x is 3 squared. Use equation 1. 4y squared is equals to negative 7. 3 squared is 9 minus 4y squared is equals to negative 7. Para negative 4y squared lang matira, we have to add opposite po ng positive 9 which is negative 9. 4y squared is equals to negative 7 and minus 9. Negative 9 plus 9, 0. So matitira po is 4y squared is equals to negative 7 minus 9. We got negative 16 and divide both side by negative 4. Y squared is equals to positive 4. And then square root po natin, y is equals to positive and negative 2. So our x is positive and negative 3. Our y is positive and negative 2. So this is our solution in example number 4 using an elimination method. Thank you.